Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amira Alisha binti Azhar. My number matric is D173101007. Okay, so today I want to share about common questions from non-Muslim about Islam. Okay, first question is why Muslims are fasting? Okay. First of all, what is the fasting? Okay. Fasting is willful refrainment. It means refraining from drinking, eating, or things that invalidate the fast from dawn until sunset with niyat or intention. Okay. Why Muslim are fasting? In Surah Al-Baqarah ayat 183 sounds, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu kutiba alaikumus-siyam kama kutiba alaikumul ladzina 'allakum tattaqun. Okay, sadaqallahul azim. The ayat is proof to all of us about the fasting is wajib and obligated for all Muslim. First of all, why Muslim are fasting is when we fasting, we can feel what poor people or difficult people to get food or drinks. So when we fasting, we can more grateful and syukur what we have today. Second, fasting is good for our health, especially for those who have obesity, blood pressure, diabetes or else. It's good because we fasting for 8 to 14 or 15 hours in one day. So it's good because it increase our energy, our immunity, and reduce alcohol, nicotine and food. Third, why Muslim fasting is it's good for our mental health. When we fasting, we can more focus, sharpen mind, and alert what we need to do in a day. So the next question number 2 is what is Eid Adha and why Muslim are sacrifices? What is Eid Adha? Eid Adha or Raya Korban or Raya Haji is a festival that festival for all Muslim that we celebrate together for Muslim in the world. Okay. This is festival where we respected the Prophet Ibrahim because he sacrifices his son Prophet Ismail for obedience to Allah. Okay. We sacrifices like cow, deer, goats, and camels, which is the animals can be the sacrifices. Okay. When we done sacrifices, the meat one of 3 eaten by the family who offered the sacrifices, and while the rest was give to poor family or poor people and needy. In the calendar Hijri, Eid Adha falls at 10 of Zulhijjah. It was 4 days, which is 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 day of the month of Zulhijjah. Okay, why Muslims do sacrifices? Okay, because this is sunat muakkad, which is this is strongly obedient for religion. First, it should to train and form the Muslims to be willing to sacrifice some of the blessings of Allah for the benefit of others. Okay, second, we can change of attitude about the caring and concern for all people, which is the poor people or difficult people who not get enough food or drink. Okay. Third is to learn about the poor values of Prophet Ismail and Prophet Ibrahim, which is they very love for Allah and their priorities obedience to Allah. Thank you.